Ashley. That's Grandma. That's Kat. This is Naughty Boy, Cody. This is it not me?
Yeah.
Alright. That's Chinu. That's Kia. So, Cody, where are we going?
We're going to Seattle, Washington.
Fair.
Well, what's your final destination?
Our final destination is Bali, Indonesia.
Don't leave me here forever. Don't let me be alone. Just you and me together. Don't let me lose hope.
Oh, this is spicy. I need some agua.
Ginger.
So Uncle Sinai was telling me he doesn't have a
No, he doesn't
cellular
have a phone.
plan. So
He preached about Wi-Fi.
yeah, he doesn't have a phone at all.
Yeah, that's why he uses a messenger to text us.
So he just uses Wi-Fi anywhere, and he'll get voicemails and he'll call from Wi-Fi. So
See if I have Wi-Fi if he doesn't have a data.
okay, you have Wi-Fi at home, right? And then you have Wi-Fi at work. So the only time you don't have Wi-Fi is when you're out and about. Yeah. So it may kind of make sense, right? It's 100.
He said it's 150.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah, if you don't need data, and because you're all using on Wi-Fi.
Okay, she doesn't get it. Someone explain it to this woman. She doesn't get it.
What?
You can have Wi-Fi calling at home or whenever you have
Yeah,
Wi-Fi.
through Facebook Messenger.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what he does.
because of the technology, right? You don't need to have data anymore.
Oh, they got lychee here? Or not lychee, but the thing. There's a cinnamon.
Lipstick. Actually, that's the natural way of.
Do we have a napkin?
Regular tissue. Tissues is the napkin. Can you make it for jam? Okay, so we need to make a list of what we need to get from the grocery store.
That's some yummy watermelon. Because the yellow doesn't look like the texture. That's why it didn't look like water.
I gotta do my other eyebrow. I have to do my other eyebrow.
I'm just gonna tell you, your face is gonna slide right off.
I know, right?
I don't understand how you're gonna do a full makeup.
It's okay. It's light. You have 3?
I have 4. My
Oh, yeah.
No, that's the youngest son.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then this is the oldest daughter. That's her boyfriend. My oldest son is back at home.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why not come here?
He has school.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
And then this is my mom.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Nick is like
Yeah, don't record that.
Kardashian.
No, Daddy, the only thing was the Logitech speakers. And that's it.
Yeah, I know.
There's nothing else on the top.
much for the
Cat
ticket?
story
$200?
cannot be good. Cat,
No.
my leg is half the size of yours. No, it's not. It's because I'm more thigh muscles than you, Mom. This is hiding underneath my thick skin.
So Cody, nước áp bà xin nó đâu phải từ.
We are going somewhere.
Who even break that
We're
up?
gonna eat baby animals.
Where are we going, Ash?
Go to the beach.
Ash, how many dogs did you see in the street yesterday?
Dude, I would be a billionaire if I saw with all the dogs I saw.
Yeah, there's like a
Legit.
dog every 10 yards, huh? they're probably stray dogs.
Yeah. Well, I saw one that had a collar and a chain.
Ma day. Can you remember
I
that?
don't know, but you gotta say it nicely.
Yeah,
Yeah,
ma day.
Mo day.
It's not ma day. It's ma day.
He doesn't know. We say mo day. He doesn't know. Những bây giờ mà day na, tức thì giờ chúng ta hay trong từ mo day.
Ma day.
Yeah, that's why Dad kept
Ma
second
day.
guessing.
Because I didn't want to say mo day.
What is Mount Baby?
Huh?
Ah, yes, I will.
Do you know what does mo day mean?
I don't know.
Ceremony.
So you're gonna walk through here.
Yeah, but better you walk to the north, to the south. This different
Yeah.
ways when we came to airport, from airport, right?
Yeah.
Let's go to the south. Better the way back.
Go the other way?
Yeah, north. More central there.
Okay.
Yeah, when it starts over, it's not. It's all rice. Oh, you're right. The rice patty.
That's where we get our rice?
Fresh.
This is one.
What, dude? That's a white kid.
Why would you just ask me that? When I'm in Bali, I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna pay for all these dogs. Daddy, turn! You're missing!
Okay, go.
Yeah. Ý trả lời ô lắc con ô parade nè, cái ô parade bắt cho. No, ý trả cho mong thì bắt cho nó bắt cho họ được tám nữa.
The rice paddy almost like 4 months.
Yeah.
So if you come here now, it's start to
Ready?
yeah ready. Yeah.
Người ta lâu lâu thì cái chỗ này yêu thì chỉ sẽ phải xả rồi.
My God! You're really brave. They do that here.
It's not good for foreigners to try that. It's too tight. Maybe.
Hello. Aduh, banyak tu macam mana tu sana anu drop kalau ke sana. Nah. Oh, no. Unyang sini dah. Ya. Nanti pengerupuk tu nak pada sibuk tu. Atau ke lab di luar tau no. This 4, sometimes 5. No?
Yeah.
And then with big bag. Okay, this when you back home, this.
Why they have it there?
No, just decoration.
Oh, decoration.
Oh my God.
Look at that guy.
Are you real? Yeah, tell me you're fucking recording.
I am.
Maybe,
What the?
maybe it's windy.
I know.
Oh my God.
They have to get somewhere.
He's the brake car.
But if it's windy, he's gonna fly right off. Right?
Oh my God.
We call here ogoh-ogoh. Yeah?
Uh-huh. okay, guys. Nhớ không? Nó biết tôi chỉ về beach về Ugasa.
Why are you speaking Moog?
Chua, mấy ông na age chua. Nó biết tôi chỉ. Hả?
Ito Oshita Beach.
Ashley, hi.
Hi.
It is about 90 degrees and humid. Seriously humid. This is a bathroom break. It's coming over fast. It did pour down pretty fast for those two moped guys. I'm so sorry for them. They got poured on hard fast. Luna coconut. Halo, Bu.
Hello.
Hey. Nice beach. We will touch the water, Ash, the ocean. This is the beach in south of Bali. There's that's Ash and Kat and Janu. That's Grandma, Cody, and Kia. Look at that cloud right behind you.
Okay, come on.
No, it's kind of like. This is like humid, huh, guys? This is like humid. This is like maybe Florida weather, huh?
Oh, and they have toothpick. They have toothpick and that? Yeah, you press it like that. Really? Yeah. You can see. Together.
This is Dan. What is that?
That's a lobster.
Oh, with a live lobster. That's what we're about to have for lunch right now.
That's
Wow.
a live lobster!
What? I need some vegetables.
What is that?
That's too close, buddy.
Có khổ lo nhá, chứ nên nó là
Lobster. Con tay bỏ của bé nè.
I just need some.
Put some soup in your bowl, honey.
You guys are so tired. Killed it, guys. This is what you call killed it. We killed this lobster.
Come on.
Cody didn't help out at all, Cody.
No.
Don't leave me here forever. Don't